Yogastubhav. I'm going to tell you something about the upcoming course that is Yogastubhav, which is known as Yoga's Foundation course. What is this Yoga's Foundation course? What are the benefits? Who should do it? What is the ultimate purpose? And what is the core or what is the crux of doing that course? Yoga's Foundation course is the course about gaining back your centeredness. It is an art and science of remaining in equilibrium, in balance. It is the art and science of knowing your deeper self just by practicing a few tips and the two great meditative kriyas that will be taught to you in the course. Yogast, to understand the yogas, you must know what is yogasthata. It is a state of being. If you pay attention, everything in the universe in its original form is in a state of yoga. The yoga must be understood properly. Yoga means unity, totality, joining, being centered, living in equilibrium, living in balance, and of course, living in peace, harmony, and bliss. In this Yoga's Foundation course, which is the foundation, of course, for you to enter into the spiritual world, to enter into the world of bliss, to enter into the world of higher wisdom. Foundation, as you know, is the very first step or the platform where from you get into the train to make your journey to reach your destination. Yogast Kuru Karmani, as I always say, once you get to your center, once you are established in yourself, once you maintain an inner calm and peace, then you do whatever you want to do in the world of activities. And that is the beauty of this course that you will learn. And there are certain more secrets, and some very practical tips and techniques that you will learn. Being yogas is, you may say, is the highest of the thing or the highest of the activity that you can do. There comes a verse in Bhagavad Gita, tapasvibhyo dhiko yogi jnanibhyo pimatodika karmibhishchadiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Where Lord is saying and asking Arjuna to become yogi. How to become yogi? Just by doing some asanas, pranayama, you become yogi? No. It is an art. It is an art to stay eternally in your inner peace, bliss, harmony. And that is what a yogi, once he starts living in yogasthita, he reaches his destination so peacefully. So this all will be taught in this one day course. So I would like everyone should go for this course and take advantage, know the state of your very nature, your inherent nature, your swabhava, and how you can stay centered all the time, stay in the bliss all the time while engaged in your worldly activities. This is all about being yogas, and this all will be taught in this upcoming course. So please join the course. Yogastu Bhava.